Come back and I'm gonna take out this line, then that line, and then that line. I'm gonna blur.
Let's start this haircut.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright YouTube fam, let's jump right into this video. I'm doing a low fade today. I'm going to be walking y'all through this haircut step by step. I'm my boy Jordan, aka Lil O Cutting Up. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow Stay Faded Kings on IG. And also at King Icewater on my TikTok. After we set in our bottom guideline for the low fade, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, starting with the lever all the way open, no guard. Also, remember when setting in your guidelines, you want them to be nice and even and parallel with each other all the way around, about 1 inch wide. Leave yourself some room to be able to get that blend in there. You can also choose to do it like the way I'm doing it, go all the way around and come back and fade them out, or you can do one side at a time, whichever floats your boat, you know what I mean? Stay to the end of the video and y'all be able to see that design. I'm about to bring it back to life once I'm done doing the fade on the sides. Grab your one guard, open the lever all the way open, and this is what we're gonna do for our third guideline. We're gonna repeat this process all along the sides, staying right underneath the occipital bone, keeping it nice and dark. That way when we grab the two guard open, we'll keep the sides dark the way he likes it. Two open, staying right underneath the parietal ridge. Don't take it too far up, and you can come and get the rest with your thinning shears. Make sure you're scooping out. You don't want to cut into the top. Stay at a 90-degree angle. Now we have all our guidelines set in place, and we'll take them all out, make them disappear. I like to start at the bottom. You can start at the top with the 1.5 guard, but I like to start from the bottom. Go ahead and attack that bottom line first. So we're going to start with the lever closed and gradually open it up, and then we're going to come back with the half guard to get the next line, and then the 1.5 guard and so forth. Now it's time to get that half guard. Go ahead and take that next line out. I like to start with it almost all the way open. That way I can go ahead and soften up the line. And if I need to, we'll start to close the half guard to fade it all the way out.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Let's grab that 1.5 guard, open it all the way up. Then we'll start to gradually close it. That way we can take that next line out. Oh yeah, that fade looking good. My boy Lil O looking fresh. What you got to say, Ramon?
Just stay consistent. Don't just be motivated. Stay with it.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process on this side. We're gonna attack that bottom line first with the lever closed. Start to gradually open it. Then we'll come back with the half guard, clean it up some more, 1.5, touch it up, thinning shears, bam, and then the fade will be done. It'll be ready to come back and put that design back in there, make it look extra sharp. Half guard. 1.5 guard. This is what you do to a client when he don't want to get off the phone. Same thing on the back. As y'all can see, I just recently had cut his hair like a week before this. That's why the fade process was a little easier. But I always do this haircut on him, and I use the same process every time, even if the hair is long or if it's short. Apply these steps to all your haircuts. I promise you it's going to get you farther, it's going to make your fades look cleaner, and it's going to get you a lot more customers. Learn how to do designs. It's going to get you a lot more customers too, especially the young generation. A lot of people like to get designs. A lot of people like to look cool for school. You know, they like to get them fresh zigzags all in their head. Some people like to get drawings. If you have to, get you some black paper at the house with a white pencil. Start drawing on there to help you out. Pretend like it's a scalp. Also, follow my TikTok at King Icewater. I have a lot of how to do design videos on there also. Also, I have some YouTube shorts. If y'all want to go check out my YouTube short videos, there's some design videos on there also. That's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel. I hope this video helped y'all out in some way, shape, or form. And make sure y'all get y'all some thinner shears and some regular shears if y'all don't got none. I like the Hanzo Hitaris. Those are the ones that I'm using right here. But if you like some that you like, comment down below and let me know which ones are some good ones. Peace out. Till next time. Thank y'all.